for an extended period of time. I wasn't exactly sure what to do or where to go. I'd never been prepared for anything like this. My wife and I stood outside and basically held on to the outside of our house. You couldn't even stand up. I mean, literally at the peak of these waves that were washing over the ground, you literally could not stay on your feet. You had to kind of crouch down in a ball or put your back against something so you didn't fall.
The whole ground was shaking so much. It was unreal. I can't describe it. It's just, it felt like someone was just pulling you back and forth, like side to side as hard as they could.
Oh, it just blew up. Woo! Woo! This is crazy. Look at it. I'm back. Do y'all see this? Too much. Oh my God. That is the biggest earthquake to date. It is still going. Oh my God, the building's gonna fall. But it got considerably worse, so I said, oh, this is the biggest one yet. And then it didn't stop. And then it got a little bit worse, so I went to stand outside in between the two buildings. And the clanking you hear is actually the canisters of natural gas banging against each other. And that's when I said, oh my God, the building is going to fall. I said that just before because it had never made that sound. It sounded like a shotgun or a freight train going off, just boom.
Almost puts you there, how shocking, how frightening those moments were.
And as powerful as those images are, can't compare to what people have actually been going through on the ground over the last 36 hours or so, or whatever it's been.
Yeah, we're going to have much more right after this break of the aftermath of that earthquake and tsunami.
Africa is growing, and we're here to help your business compete.